If you go to allow camera access to a certain app on your iPhone, but it's not allowing you, or maybe it just doesn't even show up with that app to be able to toggle on that camera access, I'll show you some steps to definitely get that fixed. Now, this is a common issue with Snapchat or Instagram. The first thing we're going to do is head into the Settings app on your iPhone. From the Settings app, let's scroll down and tap on Screen Time and make sure Screen Time isn't the issue. From here, scroll down, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions, and you'll be able to see here Allowed Apps and Features. If you have on here Camera, if that is toggled off, it could prevent your ability to use the camera on your iPhone. So make sure this is turned on. And if you don't necessarily need it, you can always disable content and privacy restrictions. Keep in mind, if there is a screen time passcode, you will need to enter that in to disable that. Now, the next thing let's do is go back to the beginning of your settings. From the beginning of the settings, scroll down and you're looking for privacy and security. Just tap on that. Scroll down again and then find camera on this list. You'll be able to see on here, it says a number of different, let me just hit OK, apps that either allow or disallow access to your camera. You can see a number of different apps on here. And if I scroll down, here's Snapchat, there's Instagram. So if these are toggled off, of course, just turn them on. However, in a lot of instances, you might find that the app isn't even showing up on this list. And that's no problem if it is not showing up on the list, because let's fix that real quick. Let's go back to the beginning of your settings. Again, go back to the beginning. Tap on General here and then tap on iPhone Storage. This shows you every single app that is on your iPhone. Let's navigate to that app that you're having issues with. In this case, let's say that it's the Snapchat app. So tap on that app. What you're going to do is offload the app and then wait a few seconds and then reinstall that app. So just tap on reinstall. This will reinstall the app, force update it, clear all the cache and temporary files, a lot of times fixing this issue. However, after you've done that, you'll be able to see it will reinstall the app. After it does reinstall, you will want to open it up and make sure you tap on the camera option here. And it might again ask you for permission to access that camera. Now, the next thing we can do is if this still isn't working, let's say it's not working on Instagram or something like that. We can open up the Instagram app, and from here, we need to first access the option that says, do you want to allow access to the camera? So tap on your profile here, and then tap on the plus at the top left, and let's say just a reel. Now from here, tap on the camera button and you can see it says allow Instagram access to your camera. So you need to get to this section essentially where you would use the camera in that app. And then from here, tap on open settings. And from here, you'll be able to see now I can choose to turn on the microphone and the camera. If this still isn't working for you, all you're going to do is get into the Settings app of your iPhone, and this definitely will fix it. Just tap on the General option, scroll down to the bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then just tap on Reset and reset all settings. Reset all of your settings on your iPhone back to factory default, including all of those camera settings. Just enter in the passcode you used to unlock your phone and hit the Reset All settings. Keep in mind, you will need to do certain things like reconnect to your Wi-Fi, etc. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.